Good morning, everybody. Hey, welcome back to another YouTube video. Hey, thank y'all so much for subscribing to me. We've been growing a lot the recent days. Hey, you guys are doing amazing. You guys are doing a great job. Thank you for following me. You're the best, dog. Hey, you right there watching right now? Hey, you're the best. Make sure you like this video and share it with your friends, all right? I'm gonna show y'all some moves you should have in your bag, so you know you could be good like me. You could be like a Michael Jordan like me, you know? Watch. Wait. Can y'all see the other goal down there? Can you see the other goal? Hey chat, can you see the other goal? Oh no. Hey chat, I'm sorry chat. Hey, that'll never happen again. Oh, it happened again. Hey chat, I'm sorry. Look. So my name is David Darden. For those who don't know, my name is David Darden. I am 25 years old. I am Islander and African American. Wait, do I say Islander or Pacific Islander? Oh, Micronesian. No, I'm Micronesian and African American. I have 3 kids. I have a beautiful girlfriend who's at home with the kids, being the great mother she is, so I can be able to be out here, make a video for you guys. So make sure you guys go in the comments. You guys said, thank you, Hannah. Thank you, Hannah, for letting David make content, because he's gonna be the best YouTuber on the planet. Y'all go tell Hannah, hey, just keep supporting David, because he's moving somewhere. He's going places. Yeah. Daggone, y'all ain't even see my dunk. Hey, why'd you fall, bro? You ain't even get to see me dunk, bro. What happened, bro? Come on, man. Hey, hey, come on, man. What are y'all doing?